AI is reshaping every industry, and the demand for skilled professionals has never been higher. But what if you were starting from zero? No computer science degree, no tech background, just curiosity and ambition. The good news? It's absolutely possible to build a career in AI from scratch. In this video, we'll break down the step-by-step roadmap, from learning the basics to landing your first job, and show you exactly what skills, tools, and mindset you need to succeed. Whether you're a student, career switcher, or total beginner, your journey into AI starts right here. Today we will talk about how to build a career in AI from zero. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Understanding the basics of artificial intelligence. Starting a career in AI requires a basic understanding of what AI actually is. At its core, AI is the science of making machines perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks can include recognizing speech, interpreting images, making decisions, translating languages, and more. AI consists of various branches such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, robotics, and computer vision. Learning the basic concepts of these branches helps set the stage for deeper exploration. Introductory books and beginner-friendly online courses on platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity are a great place to start. Focus initially on understanding how machines learn from data, what models are, and how these models are trained to make predictions or decisions. Building a strong foundation in mathematics and statistics. AI is not just about coding. It's built on a solid foundation of mathematics and statistics. These subjects help you understand how algorithms work and how to tune them for better results. Key areas include linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics. Linear algebra is essential for understanding how neural networks function. Calculus is important for learning how models optimize. And probability and statistics are needed for making sense of data and measuring uncertainty. Even if you've never studied these topics before, there are many free and paid resources available that explain them in simple visual ways. Websites like Khan Academy and YouTube channels like 3 Blue 1 Brown make these concepts more accessible for beginners. You don't need to master all of mathematics at once, just enough to understand the math behind the models you are using. Learning programming for AI development. Programming is a core skill for anyone in AI, and Python is the most commonly used language in this field. Its simplicity and the vast number of AI-related libraries make it ideal for beginners. Start by learning Python basics such as variables, loops, functions, and classes. Move on to working with libraries like NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation, Matplotlib for data visualization, and scikit-learn for basic machine learning. There are many free resources online like Code Academy, Real Python, and Automate the Boring Stuff with Python that can help you learn programming through practical exercises. Building small projects as you learn is one of the best ways to practice and solidify your understanding. Mastering data handling and analysis. Data is the heart of AI. Learning how to handle, clean, and analyze data is essential. You'll need to be comfortable working with data sets, understanding their structure, identifying and handling missing values, detecting outliers, and performing basic feature engineering. This is where libraries like Pandas and NumPy are invaluable. Data visualization using Matplotlib and Seaborn helps you understand patterns and trends in the data, which is critical before feeding it into machine learning models. Practical exposure to real-world data sets from platforms like Kaggle, UCI Machine Learning Repository, or Google Dataset Search is crucial. Exploring these datasets builds your confidence in working with messy, real-world data. Diving into machine learning algorithms. Once you are comfortable with data and programming, it's time to start learning machine learning algorithms. Begin with simple algorithms like linear regression and logistic regression to understand how models are trained. Move on to more complex ones like decision trees, random forests, support vector machines, and clustering algorithms like k-means. Learn how these models work, when to use them, and how to evaluate their performance using accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and ROC curves. The scikit-learn library provides tools for implementing these algorithms with ease. Applying these models to real datasets helps you understand their practical application and limitations. This stage marks the transition from theory to hands-on experience. Understanding deep learning and neural networks. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to model complex patterns in data. It has led to breakthroughs in fields like image recognition, speech processing, and natural language understanding. Start by learning the basics of neural networks, including layers, activation functions, forward and backward propagation, and optimization using gradient descent. Then explore more advanced models like convolutional neural networks, CNNs, for image tasks, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, for sequential data. Tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch are essential here. They allow you to build and train neural networks efficiently. Courses like deeplearning.ai on Coursera and tutorials from fast.ai are excellent resources for learning deep learning in a structured project-based way. Developing specializations in AI. AI is a vast field with many areas of specialization. As you progress, it helps to focus on a specific area that aligns with your interests and career goals. Natural language processing (NLP) is ideal for those interested in working with text and language. Computer vision is suitable for applications involving images and videos. Reinforcement learning is used for tasks involving decision-making and control, such as robotics or game AI. There is also growing interest in AI ethics and explainability, which ensure that AI systems are fair and transparent. Choosing a specialization allows you to deepen your skills in a particular area and become more competitive in that niche. Each specialization comes with its own tools, libraries, and best practices, so it's important to dive deep into the one that excites you most. Building a portfolio and gaining practical experience. A strong portfolio is essential to demonstrate your skills to potential employers. Start by building small projects based on what you've learned, such as spam detectors, movie recommendation systems, or image classifiers. Document these projects well and upload them to GitHub. Consider starting a blog or portfolio website where you write about your learning journey and showcase your projects. Participating in competitions on Kaggle or similar platforms provides real-world problems to solve and gives you a chance to benchmark your solutions against others. Contributing to open-source projects or volunteering your skills for nonprofits can also help you gain experience and build credibility. Earning certifications and degrees. While not mandatory, earning certifications can help validate your skills and make your resume more attractive. There are many reputable online certifications, such as the IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate, Google's TensorFlow Developer Certificate, Microsoft's Azure AI Engineer Certification, and deeplearning.ai's machine learning and AI specializations. These certifications show employers that you have a structured understanding of AI tools and techniques. If you have the time and resources, enrolling in an online master's program or AI Bootcamp can also provide a more formal education. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.